we're seeing increased frequency of natural disasters like hurricanes and wildfires. So we all need to do our part to address climate change. The good news is there's lots of things we can do around the house, small things that can add up to a big impact. Some of these things folks are really familiar with, like turning out the lights when they leave a room or turning down the thermostat. In fact, 6 out of 7 Americans make a conscious effort to turn out the lights when they're not using them. But there are other habits, like washing in cold water, that folks are less familiar with. Only 0.5%, that's half of a percent of Americans, think of washing in cold as an eco-habit that can save energy in the household, which is a real shame because it actually saves a lot of energy. By switching from hot to cold, you save 90% of the energy usage of washing that load of laundry, which is equivalent to powering the average American house for an hour. So if you think about it, there are 25 billion loads of laundry that we wash in the US each year. You can think about how much energy savings you can have if you have an impact on that, which is why we're partnering with Tide to switch 3 out of 4 washes of laundry to cold water in the US by 2030. And if we meet this goal, it will be the equivalent of the energy savings that would power all of New York City and San Francisco for over a year. So one of the things that we're doing in this partnership is consumer behavior research. We're going to try to understand some of the habits that people have and think about what the barriers are for why today they're not washing in cold. We think part might be awareness, but we also think that it might be this perception of performance. And luckily, today's laundry detergent technologies are designed to work in cold water. So, you can wash your clothes and get them clean. You save energy, which is good for the planet, but also good for your pocketbook. You can save about $150 in energy savings per year for the average household. And the other thing is it prolongs the life of your clothes. So it's really all around a good thing to switch to washing in cold water. So for more information, you can go to our website, worldwildlife.org or tide.com.